At the beginning of this clip, everything appears normal. Traffic is flowing, spacing seems reasonably and conditions feel controlled. But the road can change in an instant. One delayed reaction on forced maneuver and one ignored warning. All it takes to trigger a serious collision. There is little time to respond, even less room for error. Accidents like this rarely come from extreme situations. They are often the result of small decisions made at the wrong moment. Dashcam footage offers a clear and honest perspective showing how quickly a safe drive can turn dangerous. Let this be a reminder: stay patient, stay focused, and never underestimate the risks of the road. Driving safely is not just about skill, it is about responsibility. Fight for yourself and for everyone around you.
Dozens of pedestrians with an SUV. No one was killed. Electric wildfire in southern California has if you're already using Christ.
Well.
Out of the back. So just to begin with, put that overall picture for us. Oh, that's why I'm not blazing through here. Hang on. Are you guys alright?
So you
That huge wildfire in southern California has
Oh my God!
No nie wierzę.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Break of dawn, I'm hitting that black top. Coffee strong, got the diesel in a backdrop. Hammer down, yeah, I'm hauling this freight from the west coast hills to the sunshine state. CB's buzzing, chrome stack breathing, wide lines flashing like the road. Got a rhythm, live this way. I ain't got no time, gotta drop this low, keeping America on time. I'm a truck king of the highway. 18 wheels, yeah, they roll my way from the city of lies to the midnight sky. If you bought it, I brought it, let me tell you why. 'Cause I'm a truck driver. Windshield view like a movie scene. Sunset bleeding on the fields of green. D-type man trying to check my log. I'm
Emergency big.
You know anybody that wants tools?
What kind of tools?
Oh, I just saw an accident.
You're an idiot. You know, there's a certain aspect of the defense I don't know that I'm probably about to speak on this option this week because I think that they've altered some. God damn it. God damn it.
Is going to be for mostly untouched, not harassed.
Bo Respect Energy to 100% zielonej energii, gwarancja najlepszej ceny. Ta zmiana na stronę...
Rozpocznij nagrywanie.
A Bolt w ogóle ostatnio jakoś tak cenowo.
Much moved.
Yep, that man moved.
Oh boy.
Out of the back. So just so we can put that picture.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa! What the? Are you?
Out of the back. So just so we can put that picture.
Oh my goodness.
You can't just move, like just because you wanted it doesn't mean I'm gonna.
What the?
shit, bro.
Lighters or gasoline, the economics and the environmental impact.
God damn.
This is Dashcam, sponsored by Pfizer.
Boost Mobile built America's newest 5G network and made it easier than ever to switch.
You better move it. Kidding me.
Jesus fucking, what a fucking... Side of an apartment building who claimed they heard mysterious screams. Residents reported that he heard a man yelling for help and that it appeared to be coming from the first floor.
There's no sign of the hippie kid I once knew. Purple pants, purple glasses. Racist.
Jesus. Oh, yeah.
Did you do?
Taken advantage of in some way by other people. Deeply afraid, in fact, probably because they also fear that they will not be able to sleep this trip.